Excited, very excited. A number of reasons. Obviously, to see another opportunity to see the new proposals that we hope to bring forward. Another opportunity to see them in action. Another opportunity to get to this fantastic setting in Croke Park. To see the interprovincials back is the third reason. And I suppose to see the quality of players that will be playing in the interprovincials and trying to, I suppose, exhibit these new proposals. So I think all in all it's going to be brilliant. A couple of days to see 4 top quality games. The players getting the opportunity to represent their provinces, and just another opportunity from what we've seen so far in the sandbox games as an FRC committee, the fast, free-flowing nature of the game with the rule enhancements included in it. To be able to see them on our home ground here in Croke Park will be brilliant to see. I just think probably, hopefully, the quickness, less stop-start. I think there's no doubt about it. The 40-metre arc with the long-range kicks again, scoring from distance. I think will be something. What we found sandbox games, as Eamon Fitzmaurice had alluded to in a number of times through watching them. The players just trying to find their range in that new enhancement. A lot of the balls are dropping short, and it's causing those aerial battles between goalkeeper, full back, full forward. The other, I suppose, the big one that'll be really interesting to see out here, I suppose, is goalkeepers have come so really good, and teams have been so really good at retaining possession from short kick outs. They've been really good at them. They need now to kick out over the 40. Will hopefully make more aerial battles happen. It's something we all love to see from years ago when you're watching, back games when I was watching anyway, in the 90s and the 2000s, to be able to see those aerial battles, and hopefully it's something we'll see out here again. There's no doubt the 40-metre arc, there's something there in that. But again, it's a risk reward. You're taking a shot that's maybe a lower percentage shot, but the reward is that bit greater. The solo and go has been the toe tap and go has been a really good one. It just allows you, if you're coming out of defence, especially between the 240s, and you do get tangled up and you get fouled, it allows you that opportunity to play immediately, toe tap and play immediately when you see something up ahead.
Have you noticed it affect cynical play at all?
Defenders now in the game so far are thinking a hell of a lot more about, they've become really programmed into how to tackle, within the laws, but at the same time hold up the play so that they can filter their defenders back. This allows the attacking team to still go and play on, and hopefully not that defensive team will actually get back and get their bodies into place. So if you do get fouled, you'll still be able to hopefully try and benefit from transitioning quickly up the field. Hopefully a free-flowing game that both teams are able that are playing, and all teams that are able to playing over the weekend are able to play on the front foot, that are able to attack quickly, that are able to play the game quickly, and hopefully not as many stoppages or short kind of stop-start nature as maybe there has been in recent years.